Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the Carol Bike, an innovative piece of fitness tech that promises efficient workouts through AI-powered technology. Let's find out if it lives up to the hype. First off, let's talk about the design. The Carol Bike sports a sleek, modern look with a powder-coated steel frame and heavy-duty plastic casing. It's compact, taking up minimal space, which is great for home use. Setting it up was straightforward, as it arrived almost fully assembled. Adjusting the seat and handlebars was simple, although I did encounter a minor issue with the tablet holder initially. Now, onto performance. The standout feature here is the AI-powered resistance system. The bike automatically adjusts resistance based on your fitness level, which is a game-changer for personalized workouts. During my sessions, I found the resistance changes to be seamless and intuitive, keeping my workouts challenging yet manageable. The metrics provided are comprehensive, including heart rate via chest strap, peak power, and more. These metrics are displayed on the tablet, which runs on Android 13 and allows access to various apps like Peloton or entertainment services. In terms of the workout experience, the Carol Bike offers 8-minute sessions designed to replicate the benefits of a much longer workout. This reduced exertion high-intensity interval training approach is ideal for busy individuals looking to maximize their cardiovascular health in minimal time. However, if you prefer longer, instructor-led workouts, this might not fully satisfy your needs. Should you buy the Carol Bike? If you're someone with a busy schedule or prefers quick, effective workouts without the need for external motivation, this bike is a solid choice. It excels in delivering high-intensity sessions in a short time frame, thanks to its advanced AI technology. However, if you value longer, more traditional workout experiences with guided classes, you might want to consider other options. Overall, the Carol Bike is a testament to how technology is reshaping home fitness equipment, offering convenience and efficiency in one package. That wraps up our review for today. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and see you next time on Product Critique.